Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the host for a meeting in Calendly. This is helpful when you want a different team member or colleague to lead a scheduled meeting. Start by heading to your Calendly homepage. Click the Create button on the upper left side of your dashboard to set up a new event. For this guide, select the one-on-one meeting type, which is ideal for direct, personal meetings. Once the event setup window opens, scroll down to the Host section. Click the drop-down menu here and you will see a list of potential hosts drawn from your team or contacts within Calendly. Choose the person you want to assign as the host for this meeting. After selecting the new host, your meeting details will automatically update and all invitations and notifications will reflect the new host information. And that's it. You've successfully changed the host for your Calendly meeting, helping you manage scheduling more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.